Rob Van Rapphorst, welcome to MBA Now. We are at MBA's 2018 Annual Convention and Expo. With me today is Patrick Carey of Bank of America. Patrick, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Rob.
Tell me a little bit about where you work and who you are.
So I work for Bank of America and I run mortgage fulfillment. So all fulfillment operations for the bank and the mortgage business. And I'm headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina.
So tell me a little bit about your involvement with diversity and inclusion.
So, when you think about the bank's commitment to diversity and inclusion, it's really what makes us a great place to work. And, from our perspective, whether it's diversity of thought, experience, sex, sexual orientation, ethnicities, age, you name it, what we're trying to do is make sure that everybody who comes to work can bring their authentic selves to work, which then helps us to attract and retain more people to the bank, with the bank. And then when you think of it from a client's perspective, in all the communities that we're in, making sure that we can be representative of those communities as well, right? And so that people feel comfortable when they interact with us, knowing that we understand, we're like them, they can relate, and that we will relate to the experiences that they've had.
Let's talk about the mortgage industry for a second. What is Bank of America's focus on the industry?
So we are focused right now on really understanding the changing needs and demands of consumers and really trying to offer solutions that help them to achieve their financial goals. And so, when you think about the whole marriage of technology, so we're trying to make sure that wherever they want to interact, however they want to interact, we're able to provide a solution to them. And an example of that, most recently, is our digital mortgage experience. So we rolled out a digital mortgage experience, which is part of the Bank of America mobile banking application. And really what it does is puts our clients in control of the mortgage process pretty much from start to finish. So they have the ability to select either their payment, the payment that they're comfortable with, the closing costs that they want to pay, and really to think through the loan terms as well. And they can do it all within the mobile app, or they can be linked in and integrated with a mortgage professional.
That's great. And lastly, let me just ask you about the value of an MBA membership. Can you just talk about it for a second?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think especially now, being an active MBA member allows you to shape the future of the industry. I mean, when you think about all the exciting things that are happening with regulatory structure, technology, client satisfaction, you actually have the ability to guide that for not only your company, but for the industry. So I think it's a great time to be an MBA member.
Well, we really appreciate you being a member. Thanks so much for coming by and telling us a little bit about yourself and your focus.
Well, thanks again, Rob, for having me. Appreciate it.